to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 7. Correct? So here 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, and total time that is the 20. So we have solved this network diagram. Critical path is there and total project time. So this is the critical path. And this time is 20 project time. Network diagram is like this way. So next, last question to calculate the total float and free float. Now, total float and free float we have to calculate. So just I will remove this. So here, once again, you have to make the chart like this way. Here the activity. This is the activity. Then this is the duration. And this is your total and free float. Here it is activity. Activity is there. Here duration. Here total float. Total float and free float. So let us consider first activity 1 to 2. So this first activity here you can write that is the A activity 1 to 2. What is that duration? That is the duration is the force. We have to calculate this one. After this, next activity 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Right? Here 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So here you can write 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 like this activity. So 1 to 2 A activity, and where is the B activity? Here B. Correct? So here B we can write 1 to 3. Then C activity 1 to 4. C activity 1 to 4. Then D activity is there. D activity. So here D activity 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Then our D activity after that A, B, C, D, E. Where is the E? E 3 to 5. E 3 to 5. After that F 2. F. EF. What is that? EF 5 to 7. 5 to 7 and G, that is the 5 to 6. 5 to 6. So durations as usual here 1 to 2 activity. What is that duration? 1 to 2. This is 1 to activity. Duration is the 4. Then 1 to 3. So this is the 1 to 3. B 7. Then C. This is C 6 is there. Then D 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 5 is there. Then 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 7 is there. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 6 is there. 5 to 6. 5 to 6. 5 is there. So this is the duration. Now total float. So you have to remember these two equations. This is the total float and this is the free float. So this is the free float and this is the total float. So let us consider first activity 1 to 2. So this activity 1 to 2, what is our this LCJ means the top minus this is the This is LF and this is LC. Okay. So by using this equation, so this LCJ minus ESI minus duration. Correct? So minus duration. What is this? This is the 7. 7 minus 0 minus 4. So how much here? 3. So here it is a 3. You can write 3. After that 1 to 3. So here it is 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So what is here? LCJ 7. Correct? LCJ 7 minus ESI minus duration. Here it is a 0. See that? So this minus this, 0. So this is about 1 to 4. 1 to 4 this activity. So LCJ is 14. 14 minus 0 minus 6. So how much? 8. So here it is 8. Then 3 to 4. 3 to 4. So this is 3 to 4. Okay. So 7, 3 to 4. 3 to 4. What is the LCR? 14. 14 minus 17. 7. 14 minus 7. See that? LC is the 14. ECI means 7 minus duration. So 14 minus 7. 7 minus 5. 2. So here it is the 2. This is that 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is 2. After that 3 to 5. So this actually 3 to 5. So here is LC minus this minus duration 0. Right. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 20 minus 14 minus 6 0. 20 minus 14 6 minus duration 0. G. 5 to 6. 5 to 6. So 20 minus 14 6 minus 5 here it is 1. There is 1. So this is the total slope. This is the total slope. We have to calculate by using this. Now free float. So ESJ minus ES minus duration. Let us consider circuit 1 to 2. So here is actually ESJ. So this is the J. Correct? And initial here is 0. So 12 minus 0 minus 6. So how much here? 6. Then 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So here it is 7. 7 minus 0 minus 7. 0. Then 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4. 12 minus 0 minus 6. 6. Then 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay. So what is this? 12. 12 minus 7 minus 5. So this is the ESJ. This is the 12. 12 minus 7. How much here? 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So here it is 0. Then 3 to 5. 3 to 5. So 14 minus 7 minus 7, 0. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 20 minus 40 minus 6, 0. And last one, this is the 19. 19 minus 14. How much? 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Correct. So within the chart, total and free float, whenever total and free float is there, there is a 0. So here is the 0. And here is also 0. So in front of this you can make a round here, then here a round, then here is a round. So in this DEF, So this activity is very critical and you have to concentrate over this. So from this, it can be delayed. So project, this timing can be delayed without affecting total project time. That float word indicates. Float means the times can be delayed without affecting total project time. These activities are very critical. You have to concentrate on this. Any problem in other than this, there is no effect on total. But if there is a problem in this activity, may problem in this project. So you have to complete this 1, 2, 3 activity. That is critical, and you have to concentrate over this. So this is about the problem of CPM. Correct. So have you got the concept? Yes. Hello. Hello. Anybody is there? Shall I start next problem? Hello. Hello. Shall I start next problem? Okay, thank you. So this is the problem. You have to write. You have to solve this problem. Again, what is the expected questions to be asked? As usual, draw the network diagram. Find out the critical path. Find out the project durations or time, total float and free float. Correct? total float and free float. So these things you have to calculate. Okay. So let us start how to make this diagram, network diagram. So let us start from the first node. So first node, so this is your first node 1. So what is the first activity? A. A will start, means there is no specific activity. So A will start from here. So this is the A. What is the duration of the A? 4. And here node number 2. Correct? Node number 2. After this, B will start. B will start from A. So B will start from A. So here is the end of A. And B will start from here. So this is the B. So this is the number 3. Number 3 and this is the B. What is the duration of these two? Correct. From the C. C will start from the D. C will start from the D. Where is the D? C will start from the D. Where is the D? D is not there. You can search any other. Again from there. D is here. D will start from E. And E will start from A. Correct? E will start from the A. So E will start from E. This. E will start from A. So here is the A. You can make here E. So what is the duration of the E? So duration of E, that is the 6. So here is the 6 and node number 4. Now this is over. Okay. Now D will start from E. So here is the E. And the D will start from here. So here is the D. Here is the D. And what is the duration of the D? Duration of the D, that is the 2. Okay. Now C will start from D. C will start from D. So here is the D and C will start from here. So this is the C. So what is the duration of C? 5. 5. Okay. Now next B, that F. F will start from B. F will start from B. So here is the F. F. And what is the duration of F is 1. Okay. Then G will start from B. G will start from B. So here is the B. G will start from B. So here is the Z. What is the duration of the Z? That is the 2. So here is the 2. Okay. So here is the activity like this. Now after that, H will start from E and G. E and G. See that E is here, G is here. And H will start from this point. H will start. Means here you can take dummy activity. So here, this is the dummy activity. Dummy. And duration is 0. And from this, H will start. From this, H will start. From this, H will start here. Yes. H will start. So yes, what is the H here? 3. Then Next is I. I will start from the F. So I will start from this F. So here is the F. And what is the I? What is the relation of I? 2. Say that in some of the cases I have not given numbers. So here I have not given numbers. So here you have to use some fulcrum rule while giving the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6. So only outgoing activity you have to decide. Outgoing activity you have to decide. For example, initial where it is 1. So 1 we can give 1 numbers and delete it. After that 2 numbers, outgoing activity here we can give the 2 numbers. And start from 3 and 4. Okay. So 3 and 4 which are outgoing activity. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this. So 3 and 4 either you can give 4 here or 3 here. Is it correct? So once we give these numbers, this activity you have to mark. Okay. After that which is remaining? This. Okay. So out of this, which are outgoing activity? 1, 2, 3. So out of this, which number shall we give here? 5, then 6, 7 like this. Suppose we give 5 numbers here, then it can here. Then 6 numbers here, you can delete here. 7 here, you can delete, and last one 80. So this is the fulcrum rule. Only outgoing activity you have to get it deleted and give the number. For example, 2 activities that delete give its number. Starting from the first numbers and reduce this activity. After that, next 2 activity you can delete, give the number. After that, here and here activity you can delete, either you can give 3 here or 4 here, depends upon you. After that, we come to here also, here 3, 1, 2, 3. If you give number here 5, you can delete this. If you give number 6, you can delete. 7 here, you can delete, and like this. So this is your network diagram. Okay. So this is your network diagram, and after this, you have to decide your critical path, project duration, and total float and free float. Okay. So as usual, you can make like this way. Every node now you have to use forward plus will be there, backward plus minus will be there. So here for ES, it is same for all. LS, latest completion time. So latest completion time, earliest start time. Earliest start time, latest completion time. So initially here it is 0, 0. Initially here it is 0, 0. Okay. Now what is how to calculate next time here? How to calculate that? You have to use maximum formula. Correct? So this plus this activity. This is the maximum that you have tried. So here it is a 4. Here it is a 4. Correct? Then what is the next? 2 to 3. 2 to 3. 2 to 3. So what is the initial activity? 4. 4 plus 2. That is the 6. So here it is 6. After that, 2 to 3. 3 to 4 or 2 to 4. So which is the maximum that you have to consider? So here, if we consider this activity for 4 numbers, then 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. After that, you have to go to your D numbers. D numbers, what is that D number? 10 plus duration 12. And here 12 plus 5, that is the 70. Here also you can come here. So here one activity is there. 6 plus 7. So here it is 6 plus 1. After that, here it is 2 activity, but here is 0. So you can consider as 6 plus 2. That is the 6 plus 2. Which is the correct 6 plus 2. Maximum you have to consider. So initially here it is 6. Then 6 plus 2. How much here?
8.
How much here?
8.
How much?
8, sir. 8.
6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 should be there too. So here it is 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Am I correct? G activity, 2 number is there. 2 number is there. Okay. Now you have to go backwards. Backwards here, whatever number is there here, you can write like same number. So 17 minus duration. So here 3 activities are coming. 1, 2, 3. Out of this, which is the minimum that you have to consider? 17 minus 2, 15. Then 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3, 14. And here 17 minus 5, 12. So this is the minimum. So here you can write 12. Then 12 minus 2, 10. Correct. Then 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 4. After that, you have to take this one. Okay. So, what is that? 10. 17 minus 2 here is 6. And 15 minus 1 here is the 40. So, this is the network diagram. Now, you can see where is the equal number, here is equal number, here is equal number, here is equal number, equal. Whenever equal number is there, you have to make this dark. So this is your critical path. This is your critical path. Okay, and what is the total duration? 17. Correct? So it is 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 5, that is 17. So this is the critical path. So 8, E, then D, and here it is the C. This is the critical. And what activity is there? 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 4 to 7. 4 to 7 and 7 to 8. So this is the activity and 17 is the total time. So this is the problem for critical path method. Correct? Anybody having any doubt? Hello? 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 Anybody having any doubt here?
सर सुरुवातीला थोडं रिपीट करा की.
सुरुवातीचं रिपीट करू
थोडं
द्या.
रिपीट करा शॉर्ट मध्ये थोडं.
स्टार्टिंगला काय? बरं.
हां स्टार्टिंगला.
ठीक आहे ते लगेच कर. पहिल्यांदा नेटवर्क डायग्राम कशी काढायची ते बघा. हॅलो, how to make the network diagram. If possible, you can give numbers, but after that, if you feel that it is a problem to give the number, then you can use that Fulcrum's rule. That is very easy rule. Here's these are the activities. These are the activities. Okay. And this is a preceded activity, means after completing this will start. Correct? After completing this will start. Correct? And here it is the duration of that activity given. Means how much time is required to complete that activity. How much duration is required to complete this activity. And activity will start from any point. That point is called node. So this is called node or event. Node or event, where the activity will start, and again same activity will, after finishing that given task, the activity will get end. So that end activity, this is the second node. Correct? So like this, network diagram is combination of all activity. Okay, after making this activity diagram, we will have to decide the critical path and how much time is required to complete our project. So this is the thing. So initially, how to make this diagram? This is the initial point. So that first we can take any activity. So any activity require any point. No, suppose I want to move from this place to that place. This is the starting point. So this starting point is this. So this is our starting point. Now this activity starts from the one decided activity. Initially there is no activity. This will start from origin. So this will start from origin. This is activity A and duration is the 4. Now after that B will start after completing A. This B will start after completing A. Where is the end of A? Here. Now from here B will start. Okay. So B here it will start. So here it is a 3. Correct. You can give these numbers, or afterward also you can give the numbers. How to give that I will explain. But here B will start after completing A. So here number is given 2. After that C and D. So C will start after D. C will start after D. Now here we have only D and A activity. There is no D, there is no C. So you can, time being you have to keep this aside. Time being you have to keep this aside. You go to the next activity. D to E. Again here, initially we don't have this A and B or any other C is not with us, only A and B is there. So again you have to, time being you can keep this aside. Okay. Now come to this E. E will start from A. Now A is with us. Here is the A. So A will start from here. So here is the end of E. Duration is given. Okay. Now next we can go E and D. So we have got E point. Now D will start from E. So D will start from E. So here it is. And after that C will start. After this C will start from the D. So C will start from the D. Correct. Now F to B. So already we have got B. F will start from D. Then G to D. So B is with us. From G we can make F. After that S. S will start from E and G. We have G and we have E here. Both are not coming together. So here we can make one dummy activity. Correct. And here is your G and E. Now here from this S will start. S will start. and I to F means from here I will come at last this number is there, 8 number. Correct. So this is the network diagram. Now while giving the numbering, what you have to do by using that fulcrum rule, you can start any activity from any point. Suppose this is one point. Starting point is 1. So from this point, you have to consider only outgoing activity. You can give this number and cancel this point. And this. So 1 will be there. You go to next activity. Here, two activities going on. So you can give here 2 numbers. You can cancel this time being. Okay. Now after that, which are starting this and this. So from these 2 activities going on, either you can give 3 number here or 3 number here. Anywhere, no problem. If you give this 3 number here, no problem. 4 number here, no problem. Now I have given 3 number here, cancel this. 3 number. Okay. So after that, which are remaining? So this is remaining, this is remaining, this is remaining. So out of this more activity, which are there 2. So you can cancel give number here. Okay. After this 4. So this will cancel, this will cancel. After that, which activity is remaining? 1, 2, and 3. So here 1 activity is that you can take this is 5, 6, 7, and last one is 8. So this is the fulcrum rule. Only activity you have to give number to initial starting of the activity, and after that remaining part you have to cut out. Every time you have to suppose new node and you can give the number. So this is the activity. Now here we have to calculate your critical path. So this is your critical path. Timing is given, and which are critical activity A, E, B, C. By calculating total float of free float, again this point will come. Correct. So as usual, you have to calculate free float and total float. How to calculate free float and total float? So that formula you have to remember. So while calculating total float, how to calculate total float? LCI minus ESI minus duration. This is the total float. So LCI means this one. EC means this lower, earliest part and here. So this minus duration. Correct? So that is total float. Each activity you have to calculate total float. And free float is there. So float. Or this you have to use this formula ESI minus ESI minus duration. So this means this minus this, this minus E is there, means earlier. This minus duration, that is the total free float. Total float means what? Upper, this value you have to take. Upper minus lower minus duration. So this is a total float. In free float, early minus duration. Early minus duration. Total float, latest completion time minus earliest time minus duration. So by using this, you have to calculate this total float and free float. In that, you have to consider the total float and free float is 0, 0. Then you have to suppose that activity is critical. Last problem we have seen. Total float is 0. Free float is 0, then that activity is critical. That means this activity can be delayed. So for example, for A activity, total float and free float is 0, 0. that means for A activity can be delayed and needs to compensate certain times without affecting the total project time. Means there should not be change in the project total time, but these activities are very critical, may get delayed because these are critical. So this is called the slope. Okay, so this is the examples number 3. Am I correct? This is the examples number 3. So anybody having any problem? Shall we go for next problem?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, we go for next problem. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now these are the activities and duration. We have to make the diagrams for this given project. Correct. So here's so let us see once again this problem. Uh, Activity predecessor 10, successor is 20, duration is 8, after that 10, 30, 10, after that 10, 40, 50, 20, 50, 11, then 30, 47, 30, 60, 12, then 14, 58, 40, 68, then 50, 76, 50, 80, 11, 60, 70, 80, and 70, 88. So this is the one of the projects, and we have to create the network diagrams for the same. Network diagrams for the same. So activity 10 will start from, so this is the initial activity. So from 10, 10, 10, this activity started. The activity started from 10. So let us, this is the 10. This, why we have taken 10? Because this is the predecessor. This is always back. This is the head side. This is the head side. This is the tail. So here it is a 10. From 10, how many activities started? 1, 2, 3. So you can make this slide. So here it is the this activity, that is the 20. 20 is there. After that 30 is there and 40 is there. So 10, 30 is there, 10, 40 is there. 30 and here it is the 40. 40. Correct. Now from 20, the 50 will start. From 20, 50 will start. So here is the 50. 50 will start. Now from 30, 40 will start. From 30, 40 will start. 40 is already here. So here it is a 40. Okay. From 30, 40 will start. From 30, 60 will start. From 30, 60 will start. So here is the 60. So here is the 60. So here 30, 60 will start. Then from 40, 50 will start. From 40, 50 will start. So here is actually 50. From 40, 50 will start there. Arrange like this way. From 40, 50 will start. From 40, 60 will start. From 40, 60 will start. So from 40, 60 will be there. So here it is 60. 40, 60. Then 50, 70 will start. From 50, 70 will start. So here is the 70. So here is the 70 will start. 15, 70 will start. From 15, 80 will be there. Again from 15, 80 will be there. So here is the 80. And then 60, 70. 60, 70. 60, 70. So here it will be then 70, 80. Then 70, 80 will be there. So these are the activities. So this is the network diagram. Now write down the duration of form. So 10 to 20 duration is 8. Then here 10 to 30. 10 to 30 duration is 10. Then 10 to 40. So duration is 16. Then 20 to 50. 20 to 50 duration is 11. Then 30 to 40. 30 to Huh? Hello? 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 My sound is audible? Hello?
Audible, sir. Audible.
And now our fourth problem is going on. It is visible on blackboard. Visible or not? Hello? Problems which is written on the blackboard, it is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Network diagrams. Shall I explain once again?